Good morning from windy Orlando, Florida. The temperature has changed yet again. There's a big storm that rolled through here yesterday, brought all sorts of rain, just buckets and buckets of rain all day long, which was actually kind of good because we're all sick, so we weren't going to be going anywhere anyway. We were cooped up inside. Everyone's kind of throats feeling gross and just tired, and I don't know. It was a good day to be a rainy day. We don't have the regular 5 on Friday today, and actually this is just an update video about what's happening over the next couple weeks. We are not going to be posting daily for the next couple weeks. We've got Christmas next week. We've got New Year's the week after that. We've got friends coming into town just after Christmas. We're gonna be hanging out with them a lot. We will not be posting every day, but we will be posting every once in a while. So look for maybe, 1 or 2 or 3 videos a week for the next couple weeks. And then in the new year, we'll be back with some exciting new videos, and they might be daily, they might not. We haven't figured that out yet, but we just want to kind of take a look at what's going on and make sure we're doing things the best way we can for you guys and for us. We've been doing daily videos for almost 11 weeks now, so we've got a lot of videos for you to go back and rewatch, plus the whole year of videos before that. So there's plenty of us to see, and we will see you again in the new year. Bye.